Hey guys, if you're looking for a great short hike, we're here on a weekend. It's not even that crowded. Talking about Piney Falls Natural Area. It's close to Spring City, Grandview, Tennessee. And the cool thing is it's part of the Cumberland Trail. You can go up from that area right there about a half mile and you can split left and do Lower Falls. And there's a loop to take you to Upper Falls and it's gorgeous. Take a look. Okay, this is Lower Piney Falls. Pretty dramatic. Under Upper Falls. And of course, Cumberland Trail Project is one of my passions in Tennessee. It's going to be 310 miles and we hope to see it finished in a couple of years. For more information, go to tnstateparks.com and search for Piney Falls.